Are you looking for the best folding sofas? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best folding sofas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. COMHOMA Convertible Futon Sofa Bed. The COMHOMA Futon Sofa Bed is designed for your comfort and convenience. With its adjustable backrest, you can easily convert it into a bed, perfect for when you need to relax after a long day. Its classic yet modern design fits seamlessly into any space, making it a versatile addition to your living room, studio, or office. For added stability, the futon features supportive legs that can be deployed when needed. Plus, the high-quality seat cushion ensures you won't sink in, providing you with lasting comfort. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than 30 minutes with all necessary tools included. What we like: adjustable backrest, space-saving design, stable support legs, comfortable seat cushion, quick assembly. Number 2. MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed. The MAXYOYO sofa bed is a versatile piece that easily transforms from a cozy sofa to a convenient bed, perfect for small spaces or accommodating guests. Its headrest and lumbar pillow offer exceptional support, ensuring you stay comfortable whether you're reading or napping. The cushion is filled with shredded foam, designed to contour to your body, relieving pressure points for maximum relaxation. Made from durable corded fabric, this sofa bed not only looks great but also provides a comfortable seating or sleeping option for one person. What we like: versatile sofa and bed, comfortable foam filling, supportive headrest and lumbar pillow, durable corded fabric. Number 3. Shahoo Convertible Futon Sofa Bed. The Shahoo Futon Sofa Bed is perfect for any gathering or quiet night in. With 3 adjustable backrest positions, you can easily switch from chatting with family to watching a movie or taking a restful nap. This sofa is designed for 2, comfortably supporting up to 500 pounds while providing a convenient cup holder for your drinks. Converting from a sofa to a bed takes just seconds, thanks to the removable arm pillows and adjustable backrests, ensuring a cozy sleeping space. Made from durable tufted faux leather and sturdy metal legs, it combines style and functionality, making it ideal for small living areas. What we like: adjustable backrest positions, comfortable seating for 2, quickly converts to bed, durable faux leather design, space-saving dimensions. Number 4. MAXYOYO L-Shaped Folding Sofa Bed. The MAXYOYO sofa bed offers versatile use, transforming from a comfortable sofa into a spacious bed, perfect for accommodating guests. Its L-shaped design features foam armrests that double as headrests, enhancing comfort and support. The innovative shredded foam filling molds to your body, providing personalized cushioning that alleviates pressure points, making relaxation effortless. Crafted from durable corded fabric, this sofa bed not only looks great but also adds a touch of elegance to your living space. Just remember to let it breathe for 48 hours after unpacking to restore its shape. What we like: versatile sofa-to-bed conversion, comfortable shredded foam filling, stylish L-shaped design, durable corded fabric. Number 5. Best Choice Products Linen Folding Futon. The Best Choice Futon sofa offers versatility with 3 adjustable backrest positions, making it ideal for chatting, watching games, or relaxing. It comfortably accommodates 2 people with a 500-pound weight limit and features a fold-down armrest that includes cup holders for added convenience. This convertible design allows you to quickly transform it from a stylish sofa into a cozy bed for overnight guests, thanks to its removable arm pillows and adjustable back. Crafted with durable tufted linen and chrome metal legs, it combines comfort and style, perfect for small spaces. What we like: adjustable backrest positions, convenient cup holders, quickly converts to bed, durable materials, space-saving design.